Good morning. Today I will explain you how to express the volume of a sphere using a sudden difference of a cube. First, you need to know that a volume of a sphere is calculated by the formula 4 pi raised to the cube power divided by 3. And the first step, what you have to do is to identify the radius. In this case, our radius is y plus 6 centimeters. So we are going to replace the y plus 6 instead of the radius, and we are going to raise to the power of 3. As a next step, you need to apply the formula for addition, in this case, addition of a cube. So you need to identify first what is A and what is B. In this case, our A is y and our B is positive 6. So you are going to replace y to the cube power, because remember it's a cube. Then you are going to plot plus 3 and a squared. So in this case is y to the second. After this, you need to multiply by b, which is positive 6. Then you copy again plus 3, multiply by a. My a in this case is the value for y. And the b is 6, and you are going to raise to the power of 2. After this step, what you have to do is to divide by 3 to the second plus the last one, which is b cubed, or it's a 6 to the third power. So we raise to the power of 3. And all of this expression, you are going to multiply by 4 pi and divide by 3. After this step, what you have to do is to solve y to the cube power. In this case is y cubed. So you are going to open the brackets, and we are going to have y to the cube power here. Then 3 times y squared, 3 plus 3, and y to the second, it's y to the second, multiply by 6. Remember, if you have a number here, for example, if you have 2, it's going to be 2 to the second, and it's going to be 2y to the second. But in this case, we don't have coefficients, so it's only y to the second, times 6 plus 3 multiplied by y, and 6 to the second, it's 36. Plus 6 to the third power, or it's a, you are going to multiply 6 by 6 by 6. And the answer of multiplying 6 by 6 by 6 is 216. Having this answer, what you have to do is to multiply 4 pi by all these. No, you need to solve first this parenthesis. So you are going to have 3 times y to the second times 6, it's 18y to the second. And you're going to have in this 4, and then multiply 3y times 36, and you are going to have 108 y plus 216. After this, you need to apply the multiple distributive. It's a multiply 4 pi by y to the third, by 18y to the second, by 108y by 216. You are going to have this. This is multiple distributive, and in this step, we are going to cut the volume. So it's going to be divided by 3, because we copy this number, and it's going to be 4 pi y to the third power plus 18 pi y to the second. We express the answer with a pi plus 108 pi y plus 216 pi. After this, you need to divide all of these by 3. So you are going to have P equal, or it's a volume equal, and 4 over 3 pi y to the second, pi y to the third in this case, then plus 18 divided by 3 is 6 pi y to the second. Then you divide 108 divided by 3, and you copy pi and the y. Remember, you can multiply by the value of pi, but in this case, we are going to express the volume in terms of pi. So you are going to divide 108 divided by 3, and we are going to have 36 pi y to the second, just y, pi y, plus we divide 216 by 3. 216 divided by 3, it's 72 pi. And this is the way that you can express the volume of a sphere in terms of pi and using variables and the value for pi. Remember, if you can replace the value for pi by 3.14, you can do it and